So you might be worried about the current war between Russia and Ukraine and how it can impact you financially and your overall financial plan, and rightfully so. Our investment committee has been meeting a lot lately, speaking with top global financial firms and economists, and brainstorming and comparing notes and ideas with other top advisors across the country. If you know me at all by now, you know that we are not market timers. The purpose of having a well-diversified portfolio during volatile times like right now is to prevent a complete fallout if a major global event happened. In being invested across different asset classes, it decreases risk and reduces volatility over the long term. And history shows us that when geopolitical events strike the headlines, most often it's a short-term disruption and reaction in the markets. Now, could this be World War III? Could that happen? My goodness, I hope not. But we will cross that bridge if and when we get there. But we do continue to keep our eye on two major events. One is the Russia-Ukraine situation, obviously, and two would be interest rates. So should Russia continue its insurgence and step up the force to a more deadly level, or if the Fed changes its stance on raising rates and does it faster than we're expecting, it is our belief that the market will not react well to either of these scenarios. So as an investment committee, we are proactively coming up with plans to have in place should this happen. And as always, you know us, we will communicate with you accordingly. And outside of that, we feel pretty well positioned with the current economy. We feel that our strategies have and will continue to do well in the face of market volatility. And our strategies do not have any direct exposure to Russian or Ukrainian companies. And our holdings have very limited, if any, exposure to Russia directly. So that's not our concern. It's more of the headline risk of the war in general and the unknown of what someone like Putin may do. And we are still hearing the potential for a peaceful de-escalation of this situation, but it's really hard to have any confidence around that right now. And if you think back and you can remember when COVID started and the market was spiraling down, over 30% in 30 days, that was scary. And while the current market correction isn't as bad, at least now, today as I speak, it's still unsettling, especially when seeing images and videos of war wherever we look. With that being said, our thoughts and prayers are with those affected by this awful situation and those of you that have friends and family that are involved in any way. So do this for me. Do your best to find time to turn off the negativity from the media. Find some moments of happiness in the present. Hug your partner, cuddle your dog, play with your kids, cook a great dinner, pray, you get it. So many things that you can do, even while we're in the middle of heavy moments like we are right now. And as always, let us know if we can help.